Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day, and I'm gonna tell you more about this breakfast in this video when it goes down. Hi guys, how are you? I'm also doing very well. Things have changed. I am going to be with my son full time now, but this is under some uncontrollable situations. So I'm forced to be with my son every day, and it means I am going to collect him every day from my mother's house. That will mean I will be late, very late from home. I'm going to cook very late because due to winter, the sun set early and I arrive when it's dark. I can't cook at night. I have to be like, I have to be creative. Normally in winter, I do cook in the morning before I do anything, and then it will be the food for the afternoon. That's what I'm going to do since things are not gonna be spoiling anymore. And yeah, it's winter, they are gonna last me. So it means waking up in the morning is not a train smash. I always wake up at 4. I will prepare everything in the morning, and then it means when I wake up, I just wake up and cook, so that when I go do some rounds of collecting my son, it will be 6:30 when I arrive at my place, and I can start cooking at that time. Since my battery also for the lights is acting up, it's getting yakukumura. What is tokukumura in English? I'll write the thing there because now the word is gone. Yakukumura, and I think it's getting finished. So I need to be strategic about it also. Cook in the morning, and yeah. Anyway, that's what I want to tell you now, that my schedules are changing. And if I can't make videos in the during the weekend, it means in the during the week it will be difficult because of the lighting. Videos that are done at night are not nice, guys. They are not nice. So I hope yeah, you you will bear with me if I skip some days without uploading because of some weekends where I will be busy and not be able to make videos. I went to the shops and wanted some few groceries, and I had run out of stock cubes, be it chicken, beef, or whatever. As for the vegetable stock, I wasn't even finding it in the shops, and it is the best one ever compared to the beef and chicken. In my opinion, I enjoy the vegetable stock a lot more than any other. And I even tried the mutton one, but mutton I'm no longer buying because I do really enjoy beef and chicken, and more especially the vegetable stock, which I don't normally get in the shops. So I was so happy when I find it, but I forgot if it had chili or what. I just took it because it was nice. So this is the meat that I'm going to cook for the following day. And I also wanted to buy this thing. It's a irrigating can, and this one is a plastic, it's not a can. So I got it also, and it was the cheaper one, which was 120, because 5 liter is 110. And then this, I think the one that I bought is 10 liters, which is 120. So I had to put back that fork because it was expensive, and this one was cheaper. And it's a combo of 3 tools there in a packet. Guys, I came here for food lovers market. Actually, I came for what do you call that meal, family pack. It's a full chicken, some rolls, and 2 salads. I don't want to cook at night. Fridays are my worst days. I come home late because I pass by my mother's home and pick up my son. So let me go inside and see if I can find it. It's 1:30, 6 rolls, trio salad. I only came here for that meal pack, but temptations got me. I saw this as you get 2 packets for 60 rands, and normally I buy them, when I buy them at Checkers, they are 35 rand, so it means 70 rand for 2. Then I thought it was a bargain to just take them, and my son loves them also. Oh, they're a bit extreme. I came here for 2 for 50 rands, but it seems like the special is over.
Fall asleep, yeah. I need you with me by my side.
From Food Lovers Market, I had to go pass by Mall of the North, and I went to Discam. This is where I got my medication. It was a self-medication because it's winter. You need to be ready for any kind of cold. Yeah, guys, let's get into the breakfast that you saw there in the beginning of the video. First of all, let me just say happy Mother's Day. Even if this video is posted on Tuesday, happy Mother's Day to you all. I think mothers are always mothers every day. And thank you for subscribing to my channel as we go through. Thank you for liking the video and sharing it. So that breakfast was made by my kids. Actually, my son on Saturday told me, Ari, Mama, tomorrow I am going to make breakfast for you. And I'm like, what? I've never seen her doing anything in the kitchen. Like, I won't even agree. He is 7 next month, so I still feel he's too young to do things in the kitchen. The things that he normally do is sweeping the floor only. Yeah, so I was laughing because he said, I will take morogo, the spinach outside. I will take morogo, I will do potatoes, I will do tomato, I will do eggs. Basically, he was just pointing anything that is in the kitchen. So in the morning, I thought he was just playing. In the morning, he woke up, and Mama, this is the day, this is Mother's Day. And I'm so glad that he is aware of what is happening around. He is so aware. So he couldn't do it, but at least my daughter helped him do the things. Yena, he picked things from the kitchen, and my daughter helped him to do the thing. I am so glad that he is aware of what is happening around. So guys, forgive me for this one. Among the groceries, you saw me picking up these things. I'm going to use them for my gardening. Let me just open, and they're gonna make my life easy, I think, because I always wanted a garden space. That small tools, and they were cheap. I thought they will help. So this one will help me revive the soil to be soft. This one, I don't know, I'll fork off, and then a spade where I will make a way to where I will be sprinkling water. You know, when you have a tree and you make that round hole around the tree, yeah, I think this will help a lot and make things easier for me not to touch the soil as like that. Yeah, I always wanted them, and Pep Home used to have, but now they no longer have, and I'm glad I got them on a cheaper price, 50 rand for the 3 of them, unlike that one that I picked up was a fork only for 24.90, 25 rand. And then I also went to two shops, Pep and what, the Hub. So at Pep I needed to top up some school shirts, the long sleeves, because it's winter, and some, I bought 2 of them. Then I also picked up some long sleeves vests, 2 of them, which is 6 rand each. So this goes inside those shirts in case they are for my son, in case he feels hot, then all is white. I hate it when it's a different type of t-shirt inside, but if I don't have this ones, I'll still use a different kind of color. Then from the Hub I got this, their uniform is navy blue. I got this, he misplaced the last year one, so I got 2 this time. They were cheaper at 50 rand, and this one is 20 rand. And then I got some gloves, which I know they won't even last for the whole winter. So pretty much this is what I got from the clothing shops. And yeah, school uniform, this is mothering at its own best for my son, and this is for me. This one here, I am cooking it for the next day, the evening of the next day, because you're coming up late and cooking, it's gonna be a hassle. My lighting, my battery is like died on me. It gave me power for 1 hour only, but luckily I have those rechargeable lights. And yeah, I think I need to go and buy new battery for the lights. And I also had some maize meal. They gave us maize meal, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are well wherever you are, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for everything, and bye.